Today I'm going to walk you through setting up and maintaining your own Back to Eden garden. Start your own Back to Eden garden. The best gardening method there is. Hello gardeners. This is your guide to the Back to Eden garden, a no-till method inspired by nature itself, mimicking how God designed the Garden of Eden with deep mulch to grow bountiful food without the sweat. Today, I'll show you how to start one step by step. No weeding, minimal watering, and massive yields await. Benefits of Back to Eden gardening. No tilling or weeding. Thick wood chip mulch smothers weeds naturally. Dramatic water savings. Mulch holds moisture, often eliminating irrigation after establishment. Rich soil building. Wood chips break down into nutrient-rich humus with perfect 7.0 pH. High yields with low effort. One gardener harvested 1,500 pounds from beds prepped in just 2 hours. Pest and disease resistance. Healthy soil grows strong plants. Challenges. Initial material sourcing. Need lots of wood chips, 4 to 6 inches deep, and compost. Waiting period. Fresh wood chips may need 3 to 6 months to compost before planting. Upfront labor. Laying barriers and mulch takes time, though maintenance is easy. Possible dangers. Nitrogen type. Fresh wood chips can rob soil nitrogen initially, so add compost to balance the nitrogen. Toxic wood chips. Avoid eucalyptus wood chips because they are oily and harms plants. Also avoid treated or arsenic-laced arborist chips. Important, make sure you verify the source of your wood chips. Overwatering. The dry mulch surface can fool you because it is moist underneath. Check 2 inches deep to avoid root rot. Matting. A too thick layer of fine wood chips will block air from getting to the soil beneath, so only use 3 inches if using smaller fine wood chips, or you can use 4 to 6 inches if you're using large coarse wood chips. Let's build yours. Tools you'll need: a shovel dibber for holes, wheelbarrow for hauling, tarp or pitchfork for spreading the wood chips, cardboard or newspapers for a barrier to smother out the grass and weeds, and a hose for initial watering. Rent a wood chipper if processing your own wood chips, but mostly you'll only need simple hand tools. Step 1. Choose your spot. Pick a spot that has full sun. Map it for 6+ hours, good drainage, and no flooding. Grass or dirt is fine. Don't till the ground, you don't need to. Step 2. Kill weeds. Cover the grass or dirt with tarp or cardboard or newspapers, 3+ layers, no gaps. This will smother the grass in 1 month. You can get free papers from local offices. Step 3. Add compost. Layer 3 to 6 inches of compost, such as a homemade manure and veggie mix, for nutrients and nitrogen boost. Step 4. Pile on wood chips, the magic covering. Add 4 to 6 inches of chips. You can use all of the tree's parts, the bark, branches, and even leaves. Fresh arborist wood chips are ideal. Green leaves add nitrogen. Pro tip: 3 inches for fine chips, 4 to 6 inches for coarse chips to avoid matting. Step 5. Plant smart. Wait 3 to 6 months if chips are raw, or plant now by pulling back mulch, punching holes in the barrier, and sowing into soil or compost below. No direct chip planting. Water seeds lightly until they sprout, then taper off. Step 6. Maintain. Make sure to top up and add more wood chips yearly. Rotate crops, side dress plants. Pests. Healthy soil handles them. Sourcing wood chips. Sourcing ideas: free arborist chips. Call tree trimmers via Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or local services. They may be willing to deliver and dump them right into your garden for free to avoid fees at the dump. Aim for mixed hardwood and or softwood chips, but no eucalyptus wood chips. Municipal government collected wood chips may be a good choice. You can also rent or buy a wood chipper if you want to make your own wood chips and or leaf mulch. Check city yard waste or rent a chipper for branches. Bulk suppliers, landscape yards sell wood chips for cheap, for example, $20 to $40 per cubic yard. Start with 10 to 20 yards for a 1,000 square foot garden. Alternatives: pine needles, straw, or leaves are okay if wood chips are scarce, but wood chips are king. Start your Back to Eden garden today. Like and subscribe. Believe me, this method changed my life. Effortless abundance. Questions? Comment below. Happy gardening, friends. Citations: 1. https://homesteadingfamily.com/back-to-Eden-gardening with Paul Gauchi /2. https://mamatthehomestead.com/back-to-Eden-gardening method /3. https://permies.com/t/33675/Eden-garden 4. https://schooloftradititionalskills.com/classes/back-to-Eden-garden/5. https://www.amadernhomestead.com/beginner's guide back-Eden-gardening/6. https://www.backtoedengardening.com/blog/garden/how to install a Back-to-Eden garden in the spring, it's not too late. 7. https://www.kitchenstewardship.com/easy Back-to-Eden gardening tutorial/8. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=6